Well, a look as to how the markets have opened this Wednesday morning. Do remember, while we have been in a fairly flat mode, the direction by and large has been on the upside and looks like it's no different this morning. Although it's a bit of a flat start for the equity markets, it's not a convincing move on the upside. Do remember, Wall Street as well declined from its record highs. And you did see that play out on the Asian bourses as well. So this morning, it's a very tentative start, perhaps indications of the fact that maybe the move won't be all too cheery for today's trading session. So around the 13,946 mark for the Nifty, we're holding out in the green by the skin of our teeth on the Sensex too by about 43 points at 47,661. Even when it comes to the sectoral indices, there's no real decisive move on the upside, but nonetheless, you do have media, you do have the PSU banks, FMCG, auto. Mind you, the Nifty bank is up about 100 points. Real estate, MNC, pharma, metals, they're holding out in the green, and for now, all sectors as well are in the green, but wonder if that trend will stay. The broader markets then, you could say neck to neck with the frontliners, so no real action on the mid caps, and the small caps, well, they're holding out by about 1/3%. Let's run you through then some of the index gainers. UPL is in focus, it's up about 3%. HCL Technology is doing well, ITC at about 213, M&M, Coal India, Tech Mahindra is up and away, ONGC, NTPC, Maruti and Divi's Laboratories along with Eicher Motors and Bajaj Finserv, they're some of the movers on the upside. On the downside though, Tata Motors down 1% after seeing quite a ferocious run up. HDFC is in the red, SBI, GAIL, RIL, something like Cipla, BPCL, those are stocks that are losing steam in today's trading session. Let's take you through then some of the stocks that are in news today, and you've got a whole lot of them. Jindal Stainless has approved the merger of Jindal Stainless, Hisar into Jindal Stainless. JSPL in focus, the company's got the regular supply status from the Indian Railways. Meantime, UPL has completed the prepayment of $410 million of the 3.25% bonds. EID Parry, according to sources, is looking to sell stake in Coromandel International via a block deal. You've got Balkrishna Industries, which is on Nomura's radar. They've got a buy rating with a target price at 17.28. Vedanta, we understand yesterday we told you from sources that the promoters are further looking to increase their stake in the counter, so we'll be keeping an eye out on Vedanta as well. There have been some bulk deals in Snowman Logistics, watching out for that as well. And Godrej Consumer, the company has forayed into home cleaning products, so watch out for that too. Let's check in on some of the movers within the broader markets. By the way, we've already turned into the red. Some of the losers then on the Nifty 500, PNG Health, Coromandel, MMTC, Reliance Capital, National Fertilizers, Quest, First Source, Barmalori, all in the red, while EID Parry, Active, Star Cement in the green, Industar Capital gains, Vinity Organics doing well, Mahindra Holidays, Radico Khaitan and Balkrishna Industries up about 1%.